Ok, très vite, je vais vous parler de ce qu'on va faire avec station numéro 1. Here, I'm going to tell you what we're going to do with station 1. So first off, it says, regardez la vidéo et répondez aux questions. So watch the video and respond to the questions. So I'm not talking about this video, which is embedded in here. I'm talking about the video at station 1. So you click on station 1, and you have the video right here. So you can click on that. Now the video is about 4 minutes long. It's about this little girl talking about getting ready for school. So you watch the video. Il dure environ 4 minutes. It's about 4 minutes. Okay. And then on va répondre aux questions. So you're going to answer the questions. So you don't have to do a whole lot to answer these questions. So in the text box, you're going to have a text box under here, and you're going to put 1 to answer question 1, and then you're just going to highlight. So it says comment va cette fille? How's she doing? So it's elle est contente de se réveiller, elle est triste de se réveiller. So we choose an answer. And this one I'm going to go with she's happy to wake up. So I'll just copy it, and then I'm going to go to the text box, and after I put my 1, I'm just going to paste it right in there. And that's your answer for number 1. And that's all you have to do for 9 of them. So that's it for station number 1.